Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is Zia Maliki, and in today's video I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna share an extension called Swash. You can use this extension to watch ads from Google, and then in return you will get some money. So basically this is the website called swashapp.io, and this is their home page. To start off, you need to click in here where it says look at this, join the 355k plus people who are already earning with Swash. Okay, and you can see that 4.8 based on 5.1k Chrome store review. So this is an extension that you can use with your Google Chrome. Okay, so here you can see earn points, redeem gift cards, cash and crypto. Here are different methods or ways where you can get paid. Growing together, so basically more than 7 million total earning distributed, and then you can see 15,000 number of offers available, and then 5 minutes average task completions, and then more than 1,000 redeem options available. All right, you can see the reviews in here as well. So easy to install, doesn't bother user with too many questions, good privacy policy, and legit and good extension. So you can read all these reviews from different people as well. Let's go and see how we can actually download this app. So basically click on Get Swash, it's free. So click on it. It will take you to the Google Chrome web store, and then in here on the right side you can click on Add to Chrome, and then on the pop-up you can click on Add Extension. So here, welcome, are you new to Swash? So basically click on yes, I'm new here, I want to create a new wallet, and then click on Start. Swash privacy policy. I have read the privacy policy in terms of services and I agree. So basically you click on that, and then the next option will be highlighted. Click on next. So here it says keep your private key in a safe place. You can share your wallet address but never share your private key. So if you lose access and haven't backed up your wallet, you won't be able to access your earning. Swash won't be able to recover them for you. It's your responsibility to be safe and secure. So basically click and then click on next again. Basically your profile, you can give some information, so like gender male, and then your age, basically 30 to 40, and then household income, you can just say something like 12,000 to something, whatever you want. So after that click on next again. So here verifications, yes, I would like to stay updated about Swash. You can click on that if you want, or not you can just deselect, and then you need to click on I'm not a robot. So here, as you can see, check your email. We have sent your verification code, please verify your email address to continue. So here I'm on my email and I have got an email from them. Here is the verification code. I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm gonna go here and paste it here. So congratulations, when you use Swash you are in control of the data, and all these things you can read if you want. You can always control what data Swash controls in the data page of the extension, or pause data collecting by turning the toggle off anytime from the Swash pop-up window. Okay, Swash can only collect your data if you press the button below. Turn Swash on. So basically turn it on. Verify your profile to receive Swash. So basically click on verify, and then in here basically complete your profile. Tell Swash you are human by verifying your profile. Only members who verify can withdraw their earnings. So this is very, very important. Okay, so I'm gonna put my date of birth here, and marital status, let's say married, household size, let's say 5, employment status, full-time, occupation, basically computer and technology, click on that, and then in here you need to put your phone number. So I am from United Kingdom, and then here I'm gonna provide my phone number. I'm just gonna blur this, so just for security reason, and I don't get a lot of text from you guys. All right, so I'm not a robot. Click on submit. All right, so here I should be able to receive a text, and here we go. I received a text. Let me put the verification. So it's 143789, and then we'll click on verify. Congratulations, your profile is now verified. Here you can turn on the dark mode if you want, but I'm happy with that. So once you do that, come here to earn more beta, and then from here earn from ads, get paid for seeing ads on your browser. There is also other ways: earn from offers, complete daily tasks, get paid, and then referral bonus you can also get. So get mobile app, earn on the go with the Swash mobile app. This one is coming soon, so it's better for us to get in early and earn as soon as possible. So let's click on this. It will take you to the Swash ads page. Here you need to turn on all these three. All right, so turn it on to maximize your earning. Okay, we are ready to go. So now whenever you surf the internet and you go on the internet, it will always show ads like this. So Swash is on, earning is on. Okay, you can click on earnings. So far I have 0 earnings. So let me go to YouTube. So as you can see in here, I see this ad. I'll be able to see other ads. So you can see ads like this. You will be able to earn from these as well. Okay, so let's click on this one, earn from offers. So here are different apps that you can install. Actually, you can see that a lot of games in here that you can start and play for it. Yeah, so basically all of them are like, you know, games, and some of them are like, you know, this time wall, it's like survey that you can complete, and then you will be able to earn from this as well. Okay, I hope that this video is helpful. So if you want me to show you the withdrawal process from this Swash extensions, please leave a comment down in the video description box, and I need at least 100 likes on this video so that I can share with you the withdrawal proof of Swash as well. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.